Hola, muchacho.
Matt's house.
What's that?
So you doing something in Matt's house?
Oh no, that's where I spawned.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh. Interesting.
Yo,
you can go check. I promise I
No, no,
didn't
no,
touch
no,
it.
no, no. I don't care. I don't
No,
care.
I promise, Leighton.
which one
No,
of you
I don't
is
care.
which one of you is Discord Leighton?
I'm Discord Leighton.
Discord Leighton, and you're
Technically, we both use Discord. Yes.
Discord
Yeah.
Leighton. I got added by one Leighton, and I don't know which one it is. It's so confusing.
I'm Leighton from Super Mega.
Yeah.
You're Leighton from?
Super Mega.
Super Mega.
Leighton, friend of Super Mega.
Oh,
There's
oh.
from and friend of.
I'm enemy of.
Gotcha.
So,
That makes sense.
but Leighton's also Leighton friend of Super Mega and also Leighton friend of Leighton from Super Mega.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
exactly.
yeah.
Leighton friend of Leighton from Super Mega. Leighton friend of Ryan from Super Mega. Leighton friend of
Yeah.
Justin from Super Mega. Yeah.
Not so
Oh,
sure about
Leighton.
Matt and Jackson.
Yeah, not sure about Matt yet.
Yeah.
Still scoping him out, you know.
Yeah. Understandable.
Impressively
I
interesting.
got to get back to building my church. I promised my chat that this was going to be a quick expedition.
Build yourself a church. Hell yeah.
Do you see that floating up there behind you?
Is that the church?
It's a big floating church that I'm working on.
Oh, I see
Sick.
it. I like
Yeah.
that. Floating church.
Getting this.
Fucking sick.
Only God can
Yeah,
make
it's-
that float.
Well, yeah, it's for Ryan and I so we can pray. It's got a pond right outside of the church up there so you can fish while you're at church up in the sky. And then I'm going to build a second little island above with a waterfall coming down, filling our pond.
Ah,
Good
I
stuff.
gotcha.
Yeah,
Yeah, good stuff.
very excited. Well,
Impressive.
I'll see y'all later.
I'll see you. Hey, what
Huh?
what are you holding in your left hand? Might I ask?
Oh, it's a die.
Guy?
With the deep slate on the
Ooh.
walls.
Or should we use the red blocks
Hey.
here?
Hello.
Hey, what's
yeah,
up,
what do
Riza?
you feel?
That could look cool if it was like we
A
had like the
smooth-
red,
Okay, so like this.
like polished.
Hold on, I'm gonna change this. So like this.
Oh, I like that. Maybe we should
Let's
keep it
do-
black blocks up
Watch.
here.
We'll see what it looks like with two of them. Two. Because this will look like it's together.
Ba 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 ba. The echo is sick. This shit broke. I'm such a nice player. What am I doing? I'm streaming right now and playing fucking Minecraft. And I'm gonna turn facecam on in a second. I just thought, why not go live and rack in some people, you know? Once I'm home again in about 5 days, 4 days, the streaming times will be more early again. So no more of these like fucking midnights or like 5 a.m. streams, whatever. I'm gonna when I'm home, I'm gonna do yeah. Yo, Don from Soft Don.
Hola.
Hola, muchacho!
Okay, I didn't say that, but okay. What's up?
I'm just waiting for Leighton. I went on a recovery mission to get his items.
Is that a honey bun? What is that?
That's a baked potato, bro.
Dude, that looks like a piece of bread.
Do you want it?
I'm looking for Justin and
They are right over here, up there.
oh, okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I see them. Oh, look, it's Leighton.
Which Leighton? I'm looking for Gayton, I think. No, Straighton. I'm just waiting for Straighton. He will arrive eventually. No biggie. Where's my phone? I just got my dick sucked. Just fucking cum shot it. And you guys? Damn, I guess I gotta wait for a while. No problem. Guess it's waiting time for me.
Thank you.
Hey, you got it, no problem. I hope that's all.
I think it is.
Didn't see anything else.
Thank you. Yeah,
No
thank you so much.
problemo. No problemo.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
No problemo. I don't even have a bed. I'm so lonely. Send raids is if at the end I usually do. It's like a 50-50 if I raid someone. Really depends on if someone's online that I want to raid. So maybe yes, maybe no. Seen Swagger's finished Ferris wheel. About that, it despawned. The whole thing disappeared. Because of fucking Trevor. Fucking Trevor. That motherfucker Trevor. Always destroying everyone's work. He sucks, but he's cute. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Well, I think it's a good time for me to do some face cam. A little bit of face cam. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. Hold on. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, one more second. Yo, yo, yo. What's up? Can I put on a, should be able to put on a filter. Noise. Hey. That's. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, that's better. Blah, 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 blah. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, meowriza. Yep, that's better than having the fucking white noise, I think. Is it jealousy, or did you just grow tired of having me around you? I did everything to make you happy. I could do. Now you got me in things I used to love to do. And it won't be long. I'll be hating you. Feeling for the Prime subscription tally. Ooh. We're just out here. We're just out here putting on good motherfucking makeup. Motherfucking makeup. Don't soda. My thoughts of sending Finster Sissy Hypno audio files? You gotta be fucking out of your mind. You gotta be out of your motherfucking mind. He doesn't need Hypno. It's already there. Also, that's gotta be the cringiest thing ever of all time. There's no fucking chance anyone wants that. No chance. Literally, if you hear that idea and you're like mentally like, yeah, I think that would be cool. Go outside, bro. Oh my god. Look at the world. Breathe some air. Look at some trees, you know? Jesus. Can't even imagine the type of person that would like enjoy that. Like for funny, yes, for funny, right? Okay, if you would find it funny, sure, but if you find it like in any way sexually arousing, that's cringe. You gotta be cringe. You gotta be one sick motherfucker. Such a bit of grass. I underestimate how weird Finn's audience is. No, I know exactly. I come in very close contact with them. About a little bit of. Oh my god, I was gonna play music, but I don't. Fuck. I don't even have Spotify. Okay, eyeliner time. Can we do it or no? Oh my god, it's not looking good. Fortnite emotes. Yeah, I'm choking the eyeliner like nothing ever before. Shut up, man. What am I doing? I don't think I've ever choked it this bad. What the hell? Where's the glue? I got the glue. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Okay, a little bit of glue here. Ah, shit. Okay, done. Almost done. Almost done. Let me get the beanie, the golden beanie, and then we're good to go. I'm just gonna need my beanie. Whoa! Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do some. This might be bright. No, it's too dark. Sun's gonna come up in a second. Right. Now we wait for the motherfucking eyelash glue to dry. And the end game right here now today. My today's end game, in case you didn't know, is to order McDonald's. Oh. Fuck, wait, I need my phone. Let me do some correcting with the motherfucking mascara. Mascara. Okay, you got it. Let's fucking go. Yours. Time for some video gaming. It only took 30 minutes. Mascara on fake lashes. Gotta buy better lashes, lady. Hey, look, I'll tell you something. I'm not putting the mascara on the lashes. I'm putting the lashes in the corner and putting the mascara in the beginning so the transition is seamless. I'm not putting it on the fucking lashes, bro. You gotta get better makeup knowledge, buddy. You put the eyelash on the corner and the mascara on the inside so it matches the dark color of the lashes. So it looks like it's one big lash, but in reality you're only wearing half a lash. It's a fucking god mode trick. It's the knowledge of the gods. I don't need the fucking fishes. Which one wants streamer? I'm subbed to. I did not watch this.
What's up, Riza?
What are you guys doing? I'm sure you won't mind if I step onto this pressure plate.
You set it up again, Don?
Yeah, that looks right.
Oh shit. Oh no, you're stuck here too.
Oh.
Oh, you're stuck here too. I gotta
Wait,
get
I'm
out.
stuck?
You gotta
Oh,
break
I am
it.
stuck. Oh no.
What are you guys doing? I'm sure you won't
Oh,
mind if I step onto that
thanks.
pressure plate.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Hope you're just having some innocent fun fishing. You know, I'm the sheriff around these parts.
Are you now?
I hope so. See, that's my get.
Okay. What's on it? Power 5 now? Did you find it?
You wanna try it out? It won't kill you if you're full HP, but I'll show you.
Hold on, I'm not full HP, but I do want to see it. So.
You do gotta take off your armor though, obviously.
Yeah.
In order to experience the full power. Ready? Wait, get away from the water, because this also sets you on fire.
Oh, gotcha.
Ready?
Ready. Oh wow.
So that's poison and fire at the same time. That hurts.
That works.
I gotta get me one of those.
And I can shoot that fast. I can double click you. Like, I can spam that thing.
Right.
You'd be dead instantly if I hit
Oh,
both.
instantly dead.
Look at the fire rate of this.
Oh my god.
Like, if you get hit by 2, you're dead.
I love the sound.
You gotta get you one of those. Oh, no.
Oh fuck, he's loose. He's
wait,
loose.
wait, get him
He's
back,
loose.
get him back. No, he's burning.
Oh, he's gonna die.
Oh, what happened?
It's over.
Oh!
Oh, no, he's good.
Wait.
All right, come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on.
Wait, you lure him onto the thing and I'll place the block really fast. Oh, what's he doing?
He's spinning in the water. What the hell?
He's all crazy.
Yeah.
No.
He's just
Ryan's
spinning.
roommate.
Can they not
I
can
swear I
swim, can't
clicked
they?
on the campfire to cook the potato and it just clicked the fucking chair
Huh.
instead.
Good.
I guess they can't swim.
Wait, we can
Well-
fish him up maybe.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't
he's
think
in
they can swim.
he's in the abyss.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh no, he jumped.
Oh, he's a drown
Oh,
now.
now
Oh
he's an
shit, he died.
undrowned. Oh,
Oh,
he's just
I
got a
knew
new
that.
outfit
I did the
now.
same exact thing.
Ooh. Aw, Dawn left.
Wait, what happened to Dawn?
Didn't even get to say goodbye.
Oh shit, sorry. I tried to click the campfire, not the seed.
It's not your fault. I did the exact same thing.
Fuck. Hey,
I'm
McDonald's
gonna go
opens
work
in
on my
40 minutes.
little I'm gonna go work on my lair a little bit. I'll be back.
Me too.
I wanna
I'm gonna go help.
Funky
It's good seeing you. Join us if you feel like it.
Okay, yeah, I'll join because I'm if I want to play single player, you know, I'll log off.
Yeah, it's true.
Whatever happened to the love that
I
we
need to get some like
once
nether wood so that I can make like a
Well,
red
there's
door.
another portal right over here.
knew?
Yeah, let me
Impressive.
make let me make some gold shit really quick so I can go to the
Good night,
nether.
Tally Ooze. Thank you for the sub.
Oh, I have a gold helmet for you.
Wait, really?
Yeah,
I'm gonna
Okay.
go make some gold thing.
right behind you.
Thank you, sir. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait, where'd Kelly go? Kelly!
What's she order?
Oh, she's gone. No fucking way. Is it real? I gotta see. Oh my god!
It's what real?
I hit 100,000 followers on
Oh, let's
on
go.
Twitter.
Let's go.
Congratulations.
That's fucking awesome. Check that out, everybody.
I'm
100,000.
unfollowing. I'm unfollowing. You guys like Waylon Jennings?
It's pretty badass.
I'm gonna check out the 100K. I want to see it on my screen.
Holy shit, that's awesome. That's my first 100,000.
And not the
Next
last.
up is YouTube.
Impressive. Very nice.
Damn, it's
Onward.
not
I'll have to
already.
post a funny meme to celebrate tomorrow. Awesome.
Ow.
Y'all get the chickens.
I think we're going to the net.
Yeah, let's go to the nether. I gotta get an axe real quick.
Let's put this in the chest. Just throw some stuff in the chest real quick.
This is literally cat jam.
Quite literally.
Do you get it? The music disc is called Cat. Which means this is, by definition, cat jam. Oh, it's such a banger. Oh my freaking god.
I don't even know what we'll need. Don't really need anything. I'll bring 2 swords. Or you know what? I should probably bring some. Oh, we don't have an anvil, do we?
What a hit. What a musical hit.
Yeah, this song slaps.
This one's even better.
Oh yeah, Trevor was singing this a ton.
Singing it?
Amen.
Yeah, he was doing concerts to this song and shit.
Has to be a lot of iron.
What a gem.
I'm feeling good, man. We gotta go to the Nether.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great.
Fucking banger. I gotta get sub emotes up still. I need to design some of those.
Oh wait.
Oh.
Alright, now we just wait for Kelly.
Where'd she go?
I think she went to go make an axe or something. Or whatever.
I like Leighton's new outfit. Go see where Kelly went.
Hey guys. Huh. They already gone. I'm gonna deposit my trident so I don't lose it. What a gem. I could make a Minecraft music disc. Hold on, I gotta make a funny TikTok. I make it funnier.
Hey Riza, if you go like far away, can you still hear this song?
Yeah.
For some reason, they can't. Like I was like halfway. over
Fuck
to
these
Kelly's
morons.
Yeah, same. Boop, boop. Oh wait, there's the anvil.
Whole block of cheese?
Just a
died.
little piece from the block of cheese.
Are you having your cravings again?
Yeah. Where's this gold? Holy shit.
Yo, what the hell was that?
I'm making TikTok.
Okay.
How do you make pants?
You just make
Oh.
pants.
I had too many golds.
That calls to 2 levels, but oh well.
Now I've got gold, but I don't have a sword. Let me get a sword.
Yes, it's very hard.
You guys wouldn't guess what my new TikTok is.
Don't masturbate.
Yes, it's very hard.
That's funny. That's so funny. I'm posting that one right now.
Brown sugar pop tart.
Sorry.
No, it's bad for me.
What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say to me? Oh yeah? What's your most viewed TikTok?
Mine is of one TikTok I've
Yeah,
ever
this is my buddy's
posted,
socks.
and it's me looking at Olaf, a really bad cosplay of Olaf. It's terrifying. I can't open this.
No idea where his bones went.
Oh.
I'll let you know that I have almost 5 million likes on my TikToks, which makes me a
Hell
celebrity
yeah.
online.
Fuck yeah.
Which means I am funny. So you
Get
guys
that
can't
grind.
criticize my TikToks.
Wait a minute. Oh wow, I got 2 arrows and a string and 6 eggs. I wonder why. And a million pickaxes.
Stop masturbating. I know it's hard.
Nah, I don't feel like it. It's the only thing that makes me happy.
I just got my dick sucked like literally before I went live.
Oh my god.
I got fucking screamed all over the couch, bro. No cap,
Bro.
all facts. I
Wait, where did-
launched a missile today.
Jesus Christ! TMI! Where the fuck did Justin go?
TMI,
Trevor
that's
should
the
go with us.
magazine where people die.
Wait, what?
Oh no, that's TMZ.
Nope.
I like.
Oh, there
What?
he is.
Where's this Trevor motherfucker?
Hey, sorry, I was talking to chat. I was letting them know about the badges and stuff.
Yeah, no worries. I have a sword.
All
We
right,
can go to
are
the
you? Does
Nether.
that mean you're ready? You're ready for the Nether?
I think so.
I'm ready for the Nether. I'm
All
ready
right.
with my get.
Maybe we should sleep for the morning.
Oh,
Actually,
fuck
that
yeah.
does matter.
It doesn't
Yeah,
really
Yeah, it
matter.
doesn't
for
matter.
the
There's
Nether.
no
Let's
time in the
go.
Nether. No time passes.
Tally
Nether's
ho.
like, we don't need that shit.
What are we going for?
Felonious.
I forgot, but Justin needs to go there for
Wood.
something.
Epic wood.
Okay,
Oh,
redwood.
epic wood. Hey, Ryan, what's happening? How you doing?
Be careful with the lava.
Yes.
Ryan's on
lava
my
everywhere.
stream.
Oh man, we
Holy
definitely should
little
have brought.
man.
Has anybody had a bow and arrow?
I have a
I have
potato
a bow
gun.
with 2 arrows.
I have 9 arrows.
My potato gun doesn't reach.
Thanks. I stole it.
I gotta shield it.
Alright, so where are we off to? What are we doing? We start chat. We need
Sorry,
I think
I
I
was- I
know.
was
I
posting
think
the
I know
multi-stream
where
link
the
again.
where the red forest is.
All right,
Aw,
let's go
mine, I
check
just
it
gotta
out.
press a button, Justin. I don't even need to copy paste that shit. It's epic.
Hold on, I gotta be real careful here. It's too scary.
Ugh, I don't like the sounds here.
Are there
This shit
Herobrine
It is
Ryan's
kind of
on.
spooky.
Yeah.
Oh, there's fucking blue fire over there. That looks sick.
Wait,
like
wait. I know I have a screenshot of this. I can
What
I can
is
look in my
that down
Minecraft
there?
folder real quick so I know the chords.
Okay.
There's creatures down there. What the fuck?
Dude, I really want blue fire.
Blue fire would look sick.
Fucking
Screenshot.
awesome.
Okay. You guys can
Where's
hear
the
me,
blue
right?
biome?
It's
Yep.
200 minus 300. That's where the forest is.
200
Okay,
minus
which
300.
direction is that?
Oh
Forward.
my god, that's really far from here.
It's not so bad.
Is it?
We just gotta make it to safer land.